Okay, class, I won't be here today. I'm just trying to keep going with 7.4 on partial fraction, okay? 7.4 on partial fraction. I will do this one. Because if you look at this one, the power on the top is equal to the same the power of the denominator. And here the power of the denominator is greater than the power on the numerator, okay? So let's go ahead, start now. So I copy number 8. Let's do number 8 on the textbook. Question number 8 on the textbook. You have integration of 3x minus 2 divided by t plus 1 dx. So the question was to compute. If you have to compute this, since the degree on the top is equal to the degree on the bottom, the way you have to compute this is you have to add and subtract by 1. That's the best way. You may have a different way, but that's the best way. So you take the integration of 3t, 3 parentheses t, plus 1 minus 1. I didn't change anything because plus 1 minus 1 equals 0. And then minus 2 divided by t plus 1 dt. Okay? And here is equal to integration of, here you have 3 parentheses t plus 1 and then minus 3 minus 2. Divide everything by t plus 1 and then dt. Okay, here you will have 3 integration of t plus 1 divided by t plus 1. Okay, and then dt. And then here negative 3 negative 2 is equal to negative 5. Write down negative 5 and you have integration of dt divided by t plus 1. Got it? Okay, you have this one. So here you can tell this one will cancel out. Okay, so here you will have is equal to 3 and then integration of, and you will have integration of dt minus 5 integration of dt t plus 1, and here is nothing than 3t. Okay, and then here other side we will have ln. So you will have 3t minus 5 ln absolute value of t plus 1, and then you have plus c. That's it. That's the constant. So the whole thing for integration of 3x 3t minus 2 divided by, and you have t plus 1 dt is equal to this one. That's it. Okay, now let's do the second one. The second one is this one, is y. Second one you have, let me copy this one first. So the second one you have okay, let's do number 10 on the textbook. So let's look at number 10. Number 10 you have integration of here you have integration of y divided by, and you have y plus 4 parentheses dy minus 1. Okay, you have this one. So if you have this one and we have to integrate, so the way you have to solve it is this. Since you have to check the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator. So if you look at here, if you distribute them, you will see the degree of the denominator will be y squared, and the degree on the top will be 1. The degree on the bottom is 2, the degree on the top will be 1. Okay, then the degree on the bottom is greater than the degree on the top. If it's the case, you have to use the partial fraction, and you have to think about y divided by y plus 4 parentheses, and you have 2y plus 1, no, minus 1 parentheses, and you will have here 8 divided by y plus 4 plus b divided by 2y minus 1. Okay, and then from here you will have And from here you will have, if you distribute them, you will have 2 parentheses 8 parentheses 2y minus 1 plus b parentheses y plus 4, and divide everything by y plus 4 parentheses 2y minus 1. Okay, and then if you distribute them, you will have 2 8y minus 8, and then by plus 4b. Divide everything by by y plus 4 parentheses, and you have here 2y minus 1. Okay, so here if you combine the y, if you combine the y, you will have 8 plus b parentheses y minus 8 plus 4b. Divide everything by y plus 4 parentheses 2y minus 1. You have this one, and this one is just the y divided by y plus 4 parentheses, and you have 2y minus 1. Okay, now you get this one. So here you will have, if you look at here, on the right side we have y here and we have y, and you have to think about it. Here you have only 1, then this one is equal to 1. Okay, that expression, which is 8 plus b, is equal to 1, and then this expression, there is no number here, it's just 0. Negative 8 plus 4b is equal to 0. Okay, that's the way you have to solve it. So now if I multiply here by 2 on the second equation, so it will become, my equation will become 8 plus b is equal to 1, and negative 8 plus 8b is equal to 0. If you add them up, this one will cancel out, and this one is 9, b is equal to 1. Then 4b is equal to 1 over 9. Okay, so now you can substitute by 1 over 9 here. You have 8, b is equal to 1 over 9. Just make sure. Okay, so here you can substitute from here, and you can have 8. 8 is equal to plus 1 over 9 is equal to 1. So that means 8 is equal to 1 minus 1 over 9, and which is 9 minus 1 over 9, which is 8 divided by 9. So now, then 8 is equal to 8 divided by 2 times 9. The 8 will cancel out, you have 4 over 9. Okay, the 8 is equal to 4 over 9. So now you have 8 and b, the value, and then now you can go back, replace it. Okay, replace it back, you will have the expression. Remember, the expression was here, this one was the expression. So go back and replace it. You will have integration of y dy divided by, I think so, was y plus 4. Let me check to make sure. Yes, parenthesis dy minus 1. Okay, you have this one and plus, and you have 8. 8 is 4 divided by 9 divided by y plus 4, and then 8b is this one, and plus b is 1 over 9 and divided by 2y minus 1. And then now it's good to integrate now. And then here is dy. So now to integrate this one, you will have 4 over 9 integration of dy over y plus 4. Here is easy to integrate. And here is 1 over 9 integration of dy over 2y minus 1. Okay. This one will become 4 over 9 ln absolute value of y plus 4 plus 1 over 9 ln absolute value of 2y minus 1. And you have this one. And this one is your, and make sure you put the c because there is no bound, okay? And that's it. And here is your final answer for this one, okay? Okay. And you will have integration of here, integration of y divided by 2y divided by y plus 4 parentheses, and you have dy minus 1. Good. That's it. And go over and repeat it many times so you can get it, okay? Let me know if you have any question. Thanks. Let me do the next one now. Now we've done the number 10. So let's check the textbook. We did one where you have the top and the bottom are have the same degree. So it was this one. We did this one. The top and the bottom have the same degree. The top is less than the degree on the bottom. Let's do where you can have. Let's do when you can have. Okay, let me try this one. Let me do this one. Let me show you something. So if you have to do those, let me just copy all of them. So I don't have. Okay, let me just do this one for now. I can show you something. Okay, let's do number. Okay, if you have to do number 12, for example, number 12, you can check the degree on the top is less than degree on the bottom. When you have this kind of expression, you have to use the quadratic formula to express this one. So here, x on the bottom, x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to what? So here you can use that. You can use the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b, which is 5 positive negative square root of 25 minus 4ac, which is 24, divided by 2. And here you can tell you will have two solutions. The first one is 5 plus 1 divided by 2, and the second one is 5 minus 1 divided by 2. And the first one you will have 3 because it's 6 divided by 2. And the second one you have 4 divided by 2 is 2. So x squared minus 5x plus 6 will become just x minus 3 parentheses x minus 2. That's it. Okay. So now if you have this one, you have to express it just like this. X minus 4 first divided by x to the third x squared minus 5x plus 6 and dx. So now you can just express it as x minus 4 divided by x minus 3 parentheses, and you have x minus 2. Okay, that's the way you have to express those kind of function if you have it. Okay, don't forget, sometimes it's tricky. You have to be very careful. Okay, so if you express this one like this, so you have to go back the previous one just like we did. Okay, just like we did. Okay, so here you can have this. Okay, you can have you can do the same thing. You can go back to the same thing. Here you can express x minus 4 divided by x minus 3 parentheses x minus 2. So here you have 8 divided by x minus 3 plus b divided by x minus 2. So here you will have 8 parentheses x minus 2 plus b parentheses x minus 3. Divide everything by x minus 2, x minus 2. Okay. If you distribute like the same thing, you will have 8x minus 2, 8 plus bx minus 3b. Divide everything by x minus 3 parentheses x minus 2. So here you will have 8 plus b parentheses x minus 2 8 minus 3b. Divide everything by x minus 3 parentheses x minus 2. Okay. Now you have this one. So now you can, remember, let me go back. You have x minus 4 divided by x minus 3 parentheses x minus 2. You have this one. So now x, I only have one x here. That x is right here, and here is 1, then 8. Then 8 plus b have to be equal to 1. And here it's just negative 1. Then negative 2, 8 minus 3b is equal to negative 4. Okay? You can multiply on the top by 2. The expression will become 2, 8 plus 2b is equal to 2. The second one, negative 2, 8 minus 3b is equal to negative 4. So if you add them up, you have 0. And here you have negative b is equal to negative 2. So then b is equal to 2. And go back, replace it, you have 8 plus 2 is equal to 1. So then 8 is equal to 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. 8 is equal to negative 1. I have two of them. 8 is in negative 1. 8 is negative 1, and b is 2. Okay, let's go back now. So now you can go back, replace it here, okay? You can go back, replace it here. So you will have integration. It was integration from x minus 4 divided by x minus 3 parentheses x minus 2 and dx. Yes, and here you will have, I think the first one was 8 is on x minus 3. Okay, 8 is negative 1. Negative 1 divided by x minus 3 integration dx, and b is 2 plus 2 integration of dx minus x minus 2. Here we have. Okay. So now we have this one. And the question was, do you have a boundary? Yes, there is a boundary. 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Okay? There is a boundary, 0 to 1. So we have 0 to 1, 0 to 1, and 0 to 1. So here we will have, first one is 2 integration absolute value of x minus 2 from 0 to 1 minus ln absolute value of x minus 3. Okay? And then you have from 0 to 1. So here we will have 2 ln of 1 is negative 1, which is 0. Absolute value of negative 1, which is 1, which is 0. And minus is s equals 0, you have ln 2. Minus 2 ln 2. If you feel confused, it's easy. You just have to replace 0 here. Okay? It will be absolute value of negative 2, and it will become 2. That's why you have ln 2. And then negative, and then you have absolute value of 2. Negative 2 is just 2. ln 2 minus, it will become positive because it becomes minus minus. Here is 0 is ln 3. Okay? And then now what you end up having is, this one is just 0. Okay? Here is 0 because ln 1 is equal to 0. Okay? ln 1 is equal to 0. So here you have this. It will be negative 3 ln 2 minus, no, plus ln 3. That's it. That's your answer. That's your final answer. X minus 4 divided by x minus 3 parentheses, and you have x minus 2. dx. This is for question number, I believe is 12, right? Yeah, number 12, this one. This is the final answer. Okay, let's do some more. Let's check here. Let's do the case where we have, let's do this one. Okay, here if you look at here, the degree on the top is greater than the degree on the bottom. This is a new case for us. We have to do it. Copy, and let's try it. I will show you the tactic. So in that case, you should be able to do any kind of those kind of problem. Any type of problem look like this, you should be able to get it. So if you have this one, so we have this one. Okay, let's check this one. You have the degree on the top is equal to the degree on the bottom. You have many ways to do that. You can use the synthetic division. I don't know if you learned the long division. You can use it, okay? You can use the long division if you want. So if you have to use the long division, that's okay. I will accept it. I have also a different way, but since you use the long division, let's just stick with the long division, okay? So the long division, you got here, x to the third minus 4x minus 10. And here you have x squared minus x minus 6, okay? Okay, you have this. So here, the question is how many times I should have when I multiply something by x squared, I will get x to the third, then it will be x. X squared, x times x squared is x to the third. Opposite sign will be negative x to the third. X times x is x squared. Opposite sign will be negative x squared. No, this one is negative x squared. Opposite sign will be positive x squared. X times negative 6 is negative 6x. Opposite sign will be positive 6x. Add them up, this one will cancel out. So you will have x squared, and you will have 4x. 4x plus 6x is 2x. You have 2x minus 10. Now, how many times I have to multiply by x squared, I will get x squared. It's just plus 1. Here is plus 1, and then here 1 times x is x squared, opposite sign is x squared. 1 times negative x is negative x, opposite sign will be positive x. 1 times negative 6, opposite sign, positive 6. Add them up, cancel out. 3x minus 4. Okay? So now you have this one. Let me give you one simple example. So if we have 12, you take that 12 and you divide it by, let's say 3. You'll have 4, 13. Let's do 13. Is 12 is 1. So now you know 13 is equal to 4 times 3 plus 1. So to get here, you will get, if you divide both sides by 3, you will get 13 divided by 3 is equal to 4 plus 1 over 3. That's the way you have to do it, okay? It's the same thing apply here. 13 is right here, okay? So then x to the third minus 4x minus 10 divided by x squared minus x minus 6 is equal to. Here then will be x plus 1, okay? And then you have plus, and then you have the remainder. The remainder here, if you check the remainder, is this one, okay? Plus the remainder divided by is 3x minus 4 and divided by x squared minus x minus 6. Got it? Okay, that's the way. So you have this one. And now you will have integration here. Let me write down the integration. The integration from 0 to 1 of x to the third minus 4x minus 10, and then divided by x squared minus x minus 6 dx is equal to integration from 0 to 1, parenthesis, and you have x plus 1 plus 3x plus minus 4, and divide by x squared minus x minus 6, parenthesis, dx. Got it? So now I'm here. Now I have to change here. This one is good. I just have to change here. So I have to use the quadratic formula to factorize here. I need the factorization. Okay, use the quadratic. Always use the quadratic, okay? You have 1 positive negative square root of 1 plus 24 divided by 2. And here you have 1 positive negative square root of 25 is 5, perfect square, and you have 2. So here you will have two solutions, x1 and x2, and x1 is 1 plus 5 divided by 2, 1 minus 5 divided by 2. So if you look at here is 6 divided by 2 is 3. If you look at here is 1 minus 5 is negative 4 over 2, which is negative 2. So here x squared minus x minus 6 will become x minus 3 parenthesis x plus 2. That's it. Okay. Now you got this one. So here 3x minus 4 divided by x squared minus x minus 6 is just 3x minus 4 divided by 3, divided by x minus 3 parenthesis x plus 2. And then now you have to find a and b. X minus 3 and plus b over x plus 2. That one is called a perfect square. That one is called a partial fraction. Okay. And now you can have 8 parenthesis x plus 2 plus b parenthesis x minus 3. So now since you know the process, let me go quick. So here it will become, since now you know the process, let me just work it out. So here it will become 8 plus b is equal to 3, and then 8 minus 3b is equal to negative 4. If you multiply by 2, so you will have negative 8 negative 2b is equal to negative 6. So on the bottom you will have 8 minus 3b is equal to negative 4. If you add them up, this one will be cancelled out. And here it will be negative 5b is equal to negative 10. So here you will have a b is equal to negative 10 divided by negative 5 is equal to 2. Got it? So then b is equal to 2. Now let's find 8. 8 you can use either one. You can use this one or this one. Either one will work, okay? Let's use the first one. 8 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then 8 is equal to 3 minus 2, okay? Then 8 is equal to 1. 8 is equal to just 1. So now you got 8 and b. And now I think you should be done. You have, you have 3x minus 4 divided by x squared minus x minus 6 is equal to 8. 8 is 1. 1 over x minus 3. And then plus b is 2. 2 divided by x minus x plus 2. Okay, you got this one. So now Now let me copy this one. You see this one? I have to copy it. Okay, let me copy this one. So you have this one. So you have this one. It was like this. So it was like this, okay? So now, since that expression is right here, we already found it. We can just replace it. So it will be integration of 0 to 1 bracket, and you have x plus 1 and plus, and then here 1 over x minus 3 plus 2 over x plus 2, and then dx. And then now you can have integration of x. Okay, let me just do it directly because I don't have to split up. So integration of x is 1 over 2x squared plus x, and here will be just ln absolute value of x minus 3 plus, and here will be just 2 ln absolute value of x plus 2. Okay, and just since we have the bound is 1 to 0. Okay, and now we can keep going with the calculation. So if you have to calculate this one is just 1/2. Write down 1/2, put the 1 everything. Okay, 1/2 plus 1 and plus ln 3 plus ln 3 plus 2 ln 3 also. Now here is, let me see, here is 1 minus 3 is negative 2, then here is 2, sorry, it's ln 2, okay? Here is ln 2, so here is 3. So okay, for the 0, this one negative, for the 0 here is 0, and for the 0 here is ln 3, for the 0 here is ln 2 plus 2 ln 2. So now I will have 1/2, and plus this one plus 1 is just 3/2. 3/2 plus ln 2 plus 2 ln 3 minus ln 3 minus 2 ln 2. Okay. Here I will have 3 over 2 ln 2 ln 2. If I combine them, I will have negative ln 2. ln 3 ln 3. If I combine them, I will have plus ln 3. And that's it. That's it. Let me know if you have any question, or you can keep going. Since you have this one, you can also write down as a fraction if you want. But either way is fine. So the final answer is like this, okay? Integration of 0 to 1, and you have x to the third minus 4x minus 10 divided by x squared minus x minus 6 dx. Your final answer will be like this, okay? This is your final answer. Good. Let me know if you have any question. Let's do one more. So here I already done this one. When you have the top is greater, the bottom is greater. Let's try to do this one, number 22. Let's do number 22. So if we have to do number 22, it's one case. So number 22, okay, let's do number 22. Okay, number 22. Okay, check number 22. Okay, let me explain to you something. If you have a number 22, remember if you have 1 over x minus 1, just for example, minus 8, parentheses, x minus b. If you have this one, it's easy. You just 8 divided by x minus 2 minus 8 plus b divided by x minus b. Okay, why? Because here the power is 1. Now the case, for example, you have the power is 2. Very careful here. Okay, in case you have the power is 2, suppose we have this one. Let's assume we have this one. Assume we have here square. If we have this kind of things, the power is 2. You see, right now we have 8x minus 8 parenthesis and x minus b parenthesis, right? Because of the power here is 1. Here is 1. That's why we was able to do 8 divided by x minus 8 plus b divided by x minus b. Now, what about if the power is 2? If the power is 2, is you have to subtract 1. You have to take away 1 power to put it on the top. So you will have 8 parenthesis x minus 8 plus b divided by x minus 8, everything square. Got it? And then you can have 8 parenthesis x minus 8 divided by x minus 8 square plus b divided by x minus 8 square. Okay, so here you can have here 8 divided by x minus 8 plus b divided by x minus 8 square. That's it. This one is equal to this one. Use the same tactics here on our problem. Use the same way. So here we have this one. 1 over x square, s minus 1, parenthesis and everything you have. Let me check the time is 1. Okay, let me, here you have this one. So here you will have is 8s plus b divided by s square. Got it? Good. And then the next one will be plus c parenthesis s minus 1 plus d divide everything by s minus 1, everything square. Got it? And then here you will have 8s divided by s square plus b divided by s square plus c s minus 1 divided by s minus 1, everything square, and then plus d divided by s minus 1, everything square. Okay. Now here you can simplify by, you can factorize, you can simplify by s. You have 8 over s plus b over s square. Same thing as here, c over s minus 1. And here you have d divided by s minus 1, everything square. You have this one now. Okay? Now you got this one. And now use the same tactic to find a and b and c. That's it. And then you can have it. And then you can just plug it back in, and then you can take the integration. Okay. You have this one. So if you have to simplify this one, to find a and b, the way you have to do is, our main one is to do this. Look at here. How can you get, okay, let me write down here. 1 over s square, parenthesis s minus 1, everything square. Okay. Our goal is to get to reduce to the same denominator. Okay. We are on s. So we have to multiply and divide by s factor, parenthesis s minus 1 square on 8. So on 8, on here, we will get 8 parenthesis we will get, let me change the color. Okay, on 8 we will get 8, okay, and then s parenthesis s minus 1 square. We will get here then s square parenthesis s minus 1. Got it? The next one we will get plus. Here we got s square, then we just have to multiply and divide by s minus 1 square. It will be b parenthesis s minus 1 square divided by s square parenthesis s minus 1 square. Do the same thing for c. C is cs parenthesis s minus 1, cs square, s square. And cs square s minus 1 divided by s square parenthesis s minus 1 square. The last one, you just have to multiply and divide by s square. And you get s square, s minus 1, everything square. And then now you can combine them now. Okay? You know, it's a long process, but that's the way you have to do it. And then now you can distribute them easily. And then you can distribute this one. You have s parenthesis s square minus 2s plus 1. Do the same thing for b. You have s square minus 2s plus 1. And here you will have cs to the third, and then you have minus cs square. And then here you have ds square. Okay. Okay, here you will have, let me check to make sure it's right. Okay, this one is good, this one is good, this one is good. Okay, here is 8s to the third. Here is minus 2 8s square. And here is plus 8s. Here is plus bs square. Minus 2b minus 2bs plus b plus cs to the third minus cs square plus ds square. S square parenthesis s minus 1 square. Okay, here I will have, is equal to 8. I have to combine this one and this one. That's only third power I have. 8 plus c parenthesis s to the third. This one is done. Okay, this one is done. So the next one is a square. I will get this one and this one and this one and this one. So the s square, it will be plus d minus c plus b and minus 2 8 parenthesis, and I will get s square. Okay, so the next one now, this one is going. So the next one is just the s. So the s, I got 2 of them, here and here. Okay, so you can get, it will be 8 minus 2b parenthesis s. Okay, and I have one real number, which is b, and divide by everything by s square parenthesis s minus 1 everything square. So here the system will be b. Okay, look at here. Now go back, be careful here. You have 1 divided by, let me check the time, 1, okay, you have 1 plus s square over s minus 1 everything square. Okay, look at here. One number is 1. then the b is equal to 1. There is no s squared, there is no s to the third. Then 8 minus 2b is equal to 0, and 8 plus c is equal to 0, and d minus c plus b minus 8 is equal to 0. That's it. And here, if you look at here, b is equal to 1, so to find 8, it will be easy. Then 8 is equal to 2. Now I can find c. c is equal to negative 2. Now I can find d. d is equal to c minus b plus 8. Let me check. Okay. So here I will have c is equal to negative 2, b is equal to 1, which is negative 1, and 8 is equal to 2, which is 4, plus 4. So here will be 3, it will be just 1. Then d is equal to 1. That's it. Okay. It's a long way to go, but it is powerful. That's what makes a math powerful. So you have this one now, and then now we have to go back. I have to copy this one. Go back here and copy this one and write it down here. Okay, we have this one. Okay, now this one is equal to 8. 8 is what? 2. 2 divided by s. Okay, b is equal to 1 plus 1 over s squared. C is equal to negative 2 over s minus 1. And the last one is d. d is equal to 1 plus 1 over s minus 1 everything square. And you have 1 over s squared parenthesis s minus 1 everything square. Okay, you have this one, and this one is the integration of this one. So if you have to integration of ds over s squared parenthesis s minus 1 everything square by perfect square, you will have integration of this one, integration of 2 over s everything plus 1 over s squared minus 2s minus 1 plus 1 over s minus 1, and here square everything ds. Okay, here will be 2 ln s. Okay, here will be 2 ln s. Okay, here you will make sure you put the absolute value, and here will be negative 1 over s, and then the next one here will be negative 2 ln absolute value s minus 1, and here will be negative 1 over s minus 1. Okay, you have this one. It's s minus 1. Okay, and then since there is no bound, so we can just put the constant plus c. And then now I get this one, the integration of ds over s squared parenthesis s minus 1 square is here. Okay, just keep working on it. Just do more problem, please. Please do more problem. So I have to stop here. It's too late. Okay. Be nice with your teacher, okay? See you on Tuesday. Thanks.